Hello and welcome back to Pancake Plays Tales from the Borderlands. We are now beginning episode 2. And when we last left off, Felix has just betrayed us and took all of our money. But when he tried to open the case, there was a bomb in it. So we warned him and said, there's a bomb. He threw it away, money all got blown up. And then we found this rare artifact. We're not sure exactly what kind of vault it's going to lead us to, but it did show us a map. And then we found out that Reese is having a computer hologram Handsome Jack inside of his head. So let's go ahead and start Tales from the Borderlands episode 2. I for one love the character Handsome Jack, so this is gonna be great for me. He's just so depraved. Alright, let's start episode 2, Atlas Mugged.
Yes, it's been a while. Everyone knows. Where was I? Yes. Two unlikely versions of one impossible story. The Hyperion salaryman who stumbled across the perfect plan to defeat his rival.
But bad things can happen when you swim against fate.
Hijacking the secret purchase of the ultimate prize, a vault key. Finding co-conspirators was easy. Finding real vault keys never is. Then there's the Pandoran hustler who conspired to sell a fake vault key. But unfortunately, plans don't often go, as planned. A bullet saved is a bullet earned. And now, they were stuck with each other, with nothing to gamble but their lives. So, they prepared to face psychos, warlords, even vault hunters. But betrayal, no one is prepared for betrayal. She tried to stop him, but it was too late. The money was gone, but the path to a vault key was right under their feet. Below the arena, they found the Gortys Project, Atlas's crown jewel, along with a lost king, looking to regain his throne.
Ew! Don't want to touch that. Aww.
No, I'm up.
Hey! Seriously, can you use your words? You're just wasting bullets with that thing.
Yeah, okay.
Aw, come on, you drooled on me!
Huh? Oh, yeah, that's a... Wow, that's a lot. I am feeling a little dehydrated. God, what is wrong with you?
There, now we're even.
You are a monster.
Stop! I'm gonna let you out of those restraints. Don't make me regret it, because you'll regret it much more.
Sure, yeah, okay.
Yeah, that works for me.
Let's do that.
We've got a long way to go. We should move before the sun's up.
Can I please hit him once? Just to get it out of my system.
You gotta work on your anger management. All this animosity is not good for...
Just one.
What?
Okay, I'm good.
You punched me in the neck.
Let's go. Now where were we?
Well... What is it?
Reese. Buddy? You alright?
You're,
Yeah, you're
acting
acting
kinda
weird.
Reese. Weirder than usual.
Reese is just excited. He's alright. He, just probably needs some air. So, upstairs, where there's more air, because it's higher, and... Hey, what's up with that map?
He's scared.
Computer enhance.
Why not try it?
Enhance.
Enhance.
Enhance!
Enhance computer images.
Stop it! This
CSI
is not how
reference.
computers work. Where are you from? You don't just yell enhance at the screen.
Why not?
Maybe I can bring up a legend on this thing. I'm okay.
Did you break it?
Don't touch it.
Go ahead, Fiona. Pick it up. Hey, Fee, trust me. You don't want to touch that.
Try the other one.
I don't understand.
You and Reese are the only ones it didn't shock. Maybe they're somehow imprinted on you.
Vintage Atlas. Incredible!
Retinal scanner online. Security protocol engaged. Retinal scan required. Please step forward and identify yourself.
Maybe we should get out while we have the chance.
We're not leaving
We're
yet.
not leaving until we know exactly where it's telling us to go.
Please step forward and identify yourself.
I gotta check on my sister. She seems kind of sad. Oh. Well, there's nothing there. What do we have? Bullet, Steve Mask, Gordy's half, Derringer. Sister.
What's taking so long?
I just wanted to see if you were okay. Take the spoon. Can we take the spoon? Come on, take it. Aw, you're bad at taking spoons. Look at strange cabinet.
There's someone in there.
What do you mean someone? Who is it? Are they alive?
No idea who it is, but they are very much not alive.
Oh, but we can use their eyes though. Yeah. We're gonna use their eye.
Guess I should have known it'd go like this.
Retinal scan failed. Employee not recognized. Alerting General Pollux.
Oh, craps. That's probably not...
Wait, you hear that?
Sounds like this General Pollux never made it out of the room.
Well, that's creepy.
He's the one in the box. Let's go get him. Push the yellow button.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought I was gonna see.
Well, now all we have to do is get his eye to that retinal scanner.
Pick up the body.
Maybe we can just scoot him over to the computer.
Well, that's not gonna work.
Yeah,
could
he's
chop
wedged
off
in
his
there
head.
pretty tight.
Now what?
Well, it's a retina scanner, right? We don't actually need all of him for that.
Yeah, we could just chop off the head. Search his pockets. Find a knife or something.
Ooh, how much you got?
Not that much. Now, you'd think a general would have more walking around money on him.
Hey, that's enough.
Look at his uniform. Atlas military, high ranking at that.
Take the uniform. Oh, take the eyeball.
His eyes are pretty creepy. You're basically doing him a favor.
I'm not sure he would agree.
If you try to rip it out with your bare hand, you'll just end up squishing it.
If you have a better idea.
Any other idea would be a better idea.
Well, what do I do?
That guy's got some creepy eyes. I don't like him.
They do kind of follow you around the room, don't they?
Alright, let's see. What do I have? I don't really have anything. Oh no, it's the spork. I knew I'd need it. This is why we pick up everything. It's a spork.
Oh, hey, it's a spoon and a fork. Ha! How about that? Oh, wait, that's not.
Yep. The eye's gotta come out one way or another.
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, I don't want to do this. Oh, it even has a little spork icon.
Okay, this is... Okay.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
I gotta do it. I gotta do it, so I just...
Just shove that into his face.
Why do you have to say it like that?
I'm just saying.
Would you just do it already?
Okay!
Oh.
Why did that just happen?
Oh man, you split the eye right in half. All the juice from the thing is...
Ugh, why are you describing it to me? I know. I did it.
Right, sorry. Look, all I'm saying is, you got one more shot.
Right, because he's got two eyes. One eye now.
You've got a knack for numbers, don't you?
I'll just wait over there.
Oh man.
Here we go.
Right, so far so good.
Stop talking to me.
Ooh, I can't tell if that's looking better or looking worse.
It's looking way worse. Trust me.
If you're gonna puke, do it on the floor, please. This is me helping. Ooh, ugh, you almost got it. Just cut the thing. Holding it to the thing.
I got it.
Thank you.
Hey, and you didn't crush it. I totally would have crushed it.
Let's just get this thing over to the scanner.
Ugh. Ugh. I do not like that.
Message 1. Athena. Gortys facility. Oldhaven.
Hello, Pollux. Too bad I missed you in Oldhaven. As you've no doubt surmised, the Gortys project has been terminated. And now that you have no soldiers under your command, I regret to inform you that you've been relieved of your duties. I'll come by soon to ease your transition into retirement.
What's Old Haven?
It's an Atlas mining town. It's been abandoned for years.
Which makes it the perfect place to hide a Gortys project. Whatever that is.
Message 2. General Pollux. Memorandum.
If you're watching this, then I'm already in suspended animation. You must understand, Athena was trying to kill me. And what I possess is far too powerful to end up in the arsenal of a ruthless mercenary. If Athena is no longer a threat, please activate the revival protocol in my stasis dock. My life and quite possibly the fate of the universe is in your hands.
Oh.
Oh no. Does that mean he was... Oh, when you scooped... Oh... ah.
No way. No. No, he had to be dead when we...
Don't. Just... don't. So, I guess we're going to Old Haven.
Reese, you want to take a look at...
Oh, ouch.
I'm fine.
Do you need our help?
No, I'm good.
Wait, what?
I didn't hit my head.
What are you talking about? I saw you hit that girder.
No. I hit my head on that, but I didn't hit my head when I fell into the computers. And obviously there wasn't a geyser of blood.
There was
Geyser.
quite a bit of blood.
This is all fascinating, very thorough. But what about Jack?
Oh, right. Jack.
Alright, and that's where we're going to pause it, and we're going to find out what happened to Jack. Thank you for watching Pancake Plays Tales from the Borderlands. I hope to see you in the next video.